Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve alpha minus beta and alpha square minus beta. I'm showing you that one, so if you also want to see previous videos, you can do it to check. And in this video, I'm showing you alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta. So while we know the sum and product of the roots, so let's go ahead to find the sum and product of the root. So sum of the roots will be alpha plus beta equals to b over a, which is minus 7 over 1, which is 7, and beta product will be c over a, which is what, 10 over 1, which is 10. So while using just these two terms, we'll be finding this and this together. So since we don't, the only what we have is alpha and alpha plus beta and alpha beta. In order to find this, what we have to do is we'll use an idea of finding the square root of the square of this. That is, the square of this is alpha beta square. So we'll find the square root of alpha minus beta square, and regardless, still you can still find it using any of this, but we can find it using, while correlating this, the square of this to this. That is, we'll find a way to make them correlate. That is, right now they are not equal to each other, right? That is alpha plus beta square, they are not equal to each other. But if we expand them further, you have alpha square minus 2 alpha beta, right, plus beta square. Then you have alpha square minus 2, plus 2 alpha beta plus beta. So what can we do to this to make it look like this? If we substitute minus 2 alpha beta, we only have alpha beta. That's how we get our alpha plus beta square, right? But here we'll substitute minus 4 alpha beta, right? So when we substitute minus 4 alpha beta, we have, after taking out these two, then these two replace it. So we now can now see these two are equal to each other. So you can see we have alpha minus beta, which is the same as this, is equals to what we have here, alpha plus beta square of minus 4 alpha beta, right? And can now take the square root of both sides. Square root of both sides will give us right. So you can this, then we will now have alpha minus beta to be equals to plus or minus square root of, because we can't take the, because of the negative here, and assuming we have a square, both of these are square, you can take the square root of everything, but because of all this arithmetic content, we just leave it like this, alpha plus beta square minus 4. So these are our alpha beta. So you have to find the actual term. Let's substitute each of our term. So we have alpha plus beta equals to square root of, what's alpha plus beta here? Alpha plus beta is 7 square minus 4, alpha beta is 10. Now 49 minus 40, and the square root is going to be 3, right? Sorry, it's going to be 9. I'm already jumping ahead of myself. So the answer is going to be 3. So alpha for beta for this equation. So all what you need to know right here is that alpha beta is going to give us this. In case you just want to skip this step and just go ahead, you can just use alpha plus beta equals to plus or minus the square root of alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta, and just solve, right? Then you have to solve for this. You have to, when we have to solve for this, you have just, when we are opening our bracket, just two opposite signs, that is alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta, right? Because if you open this, you have, you eliminate, you literally have this, because this other two will eliminate. And this, if you have alpha square minus alpha beta plus alpha beta, minus beta square, and this you leave. So just have to go with this. Since we are conversant with this one, alpha plus beta, this is, and alpha minus beta, we just got that from this equation, so you can just replace that with that here. So we can just go ahead and do alpha plus beta, then alpha minus beta is what we have it to be, putting the square root minus square root of alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta, alpha. So we substitute everything into it. Since we already done this here and our answer is 3, so we can just go ahead and multiply the two of them each other. So what's alpha plus beta? You have 7, and what's odd, because you have to substitute. As it means a different question now, you have to freshly substitute it, but we've done it here as well. So we have bracket 3, so we have it as 21. So that's that about that. In my next video, we'll be looking on how to solve. We're looking to be getting tougher, looking at cube plus beta cube. Might have an idea of how to do this, but we'll go for now. Also do alpha cube minus beta cube as well. Please, if you like and subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you.